guys, check out this weapon. Only 120 bucks. And obvious reasons, but we don't need that motor. It's coming out anyway. Motor is out. Now I'm going to pull the motor out of the ATV and mock her up in here. Well, we gotta hack up this frame some. I'm gonna cut it off right here with the Sawzall. Oh guys, I'm loving the way this looks. That motor definitely needs to go up a good inch or so at least more, which means we need to cut. I mean, I'm taking out this horn bracket and crap anyway. We don't need any of that. I think we're gonna cut more up in here, get rid of all this, that way we can raise the motor up. Ideally run the steel here downward, a little cross brace there. And then we'll run a piece of steel on this side and on this side, and then back to the original motor mount. And then I just ordered the motor mount for this, so a few days that'll be here, and we'll actually be able to get this all lined up with some new chain. Hey, we got our 40 chain, one step closer. The expected delivery is about 3 days for the mountain plate, so that's gonna have to do it, guys, for our part 1 of the build series here. I'm insanely excited to see this thing up and moving. I hope you guys are too. But anyway, next time.